Welcome to our channel, Better Health and Food Ideas. Vegetables. Fun facts. Bell peppers are usually sold green, but they can also be red, purple or yellow. Tomatoes are very high in the carotenoid lycopene. Eating foods with carotenoids can lower your risk of cancer. Other vegetables high in carotenoids are carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, and collard greens. Most of the nutrients in a potato reside just below the skin layer. A hornworm can eat an entire tomato plant by itself in one day. In the United States, more tomatoes are consumed than any other single fruit or vegetable. California produces almost all of the broccoli sold in the United States. White potatoes were first cultivated by local Indians in the Andes Mountains of South America. Yams and sweet potatoes are not the same thing. A baked potato, with skin, is a good source of dietary fiber, 4 grams. Actually a fruit, it took a ruling by the Supreme Court in 1893 to make the tomato a vegetable. Potatoes first appeared in Europe in 1586. They made it to North America in 1719. The potato disease? Late blight, was the principal cause of the Irish potato famine, which killed 500,000 people. It is recommended that you eat 5 servings of fruit or vegetables a day. A serving equals 1/2 cup. Thank you for watching video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.